The 2025 best-selling soldering gun features a brand new semi-automatic design, making soldering incredibly effortless. It can deal with various materials with ease. Whether it's metal, plastic, or cracks in pipes, you can directly solder them with this soldering gun without any complicated operations. The soldered joints are firm and reliable. With high soldering strength, it is sturdy and durable, and will never crack. It can perfectly solve problems of metal parts such as the oil pan, exhaust pipe, and cylinder head of a car, as well as issues like water leaks in water tanks, radiators, and water pipes. It is internally installed with a smart temperature control chip, which can precisely control the temperature. It won't burn out even after working for a long time, and its durability is excellent. It can remain in good condition for 10 years under normal use. Whether it's for electronic repairs, outdoor work, manual soldering, high-altitude operations, or soldering of professional components, it is your top choice and is definitely a must-have tool for electrical appliance repairmen. It is now sold directly from the factory, and the quantity is limited. Place an order today and enjoy a 50% discount. If you are not satisfied for any reason, we provide a 7-day no-questions-asked return service, so you can shop without any worries. Choose this manual soldering gun. Bid farewell to soldering problems easily, and you can become a soldering expert by doing it yourself.